Are you searching for the best food processors? In this video, I'll share my top 5 best food processors recommendations, backed by personal experience and extensive research. For additional details and up-to-date pricing, please visit the links in the description below. Number 5. KitchenAid 3.5 Cup Food Chopper. While this model wasn't part of our full-size food processor tests, it was the best in our mini food processor comparison. The KitchenAid 3.5 Cup Food Chopper has a simple design and powerful blades. It features 2 speeds, a slower chop and a faster puree. There's also a drizzle basin in the lid for slowly adding oil to recipes like pesto. If you have a small kitchen or usually cook small portions, this is a great addition. It's affordable and comes in several bright colors to match your kitchen. The downside is its small size. A couple of large tomatoes can fill the bowl, which isn't ideal for making big batches of salsa. It also doesn't have a shredding or slicing blade, just the standard chopping blade. Dimensions: 5.6 by 7 by 8.7 inches. Capacity: 3.5 cups. Power: 240 watts. Speed settings: 2. Includes chopping blade. Dishwasher safe, yes. Pros: small, quick, efficient, and inexpensive. Cons: limited capacity and only includes a chopping blade. Number 4. KitchenAid 13 Cup Food Processor with Dicing Kit. KitchenAid is best known for its stand mixers, but we trust it for all kinds of appliances. The KitchenAid 13 Cup Food Processor has everything you'd expect in a quality machine, plus a dicing kit, all at a good price. It's easy to use, and all the parts are dishwasher safe. It also has 2 speeds, which is rare for cheaper machines. We got even grates on cheese, uniform zucchini slices, and smooth aioli, but chopping onions was a bit disappointing. The powerful blade worked quickly but not evenly, with some onion bits chopped perfectly while others were almost pureed. By adjusting the speed and using the pulse mode carefully, you can get more even results, but other food processors might not need as much fine-tuning. Dimensions: 8.7 by 10.25 by 17.43 inches. Capacity: 13 cups. Contains chopping blade, currency blade, rescindable shredding disc, adaptable slicing disc, dicing kit. Dishwasher safe, yes. Pros: this affordable and easy-to-use model did a great job with grating, slicing, dicing, and mixing. Cons: it chopped onions unevenly in our test. Number 3. Breville Sous Chef Peel and Dice 16 Cup Food Processor. The Breville Sous Chef is a great helper in the kitchen, offering many tools and attachments for different food prep tasks. It has the usual chopping, slicing, and grating blades, plus extras like a dough-kneading blade, a dicing tool, a disc for perfect French fries, a rotating peeler, and a whisk disc for whipping egg whites in its large 16-cup bowl. It also comes with a mini bowl and blade for smaller jobs. In our tests, it sliced, shredded, and diced evenly, and we liked the timer mode for precise chopping. Cleaning is easy. Just put the removable parts in the dishwasher and wipe the base with a damp cloth. It's more than twice the price of the Cuisinart model, so it might be too much for the average cook. But if you're ready to spend more, this machine is the most versatile of all the models we tested. Dimensions: 11 by 8 by 18 inches. Capacity: 16 cups, large bowl, 2.5 cups, small bowl. Power: 1,200 watts. Includes chopping blade, dough blade, reversible shredding disc, adjustable slicing disc, peeling disc, julienne disc, French fry disc, whisking disc, dicing kit, mini blade. Dishwasher safe, yes. Pros: extra large capacity and many accessories make this an all-in-one food prep star. Cons: it's expensive, and there are many parts to keep track of. Number 2. Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor. Even though the Ninja Professional Plus is cheap, it can do a lot. It comes with apparatuses for chopping, destroying, and cutting, furthermore a plastic edge for making dough. It also has 3 speed settings: slow for kneading, medium for coarse chopping, and high for fine mincing or pureeing soft fruits. Also, everything except the base can go in the dishwasher. However, this machine isn't the most efficient. Small amounts of food can get stuck under the high blade, like when we tried to mix egg yolk and mustard for mayonnaise. The shredding blade could only shred about half of a 2-ounce block of cheese before the rest got stuck in the lid. But with larger amounts of onions and zucchini, we got clean, even cuts. The Ninja is worth its low price, but the construction isn't great. Putting all the parts together isn't intuitive, and water got trapped inside some pieces in the dishwasher, which isn't good for long-term use. Dimensions: 7.76 by 9.88 by 16.02 inches. Capacity: 9 cups. Power: 1000 watts. Speed settings: 3. Includes chopping edge, batter edge, reversible shredding/slicing disc. Dishwasher safe: yes. Pros: different speed settings and connections make this low-price nourishment processor flexible. Cons: the blades can't handle small amounts of food well. Number 1. Cuisinart Food Processor. We really liked this Cuisinart model and gave it high marks for everything. It's fast, powerful, and easy to use. It has only 2 buttons, one to keep the blades spinning and one to run them only while you hold it down. We used the Cuisinart to evenly chop onions, shred cheese, and slice zucchini. It has a big plunger to safely push food down the chute, and there's a small hole in the plunger perfect for slowly adding oil to make mayonnaise and other sauces. Our main complaint is that the shredding blade doesn't have smaller holes and the slicer can't be adjusted, so it's less versatile than other processors. We also had to look at the manual to figure out how to fit the blades correctly. Cleaning is easy since the blades, bowl, and lid are dishwasher safe. The price is reasonable and about average compared to other models we tested. Dimensions: 11 by 7.9 by 14.8 inches. Capacity: 14 cups. Power: 720 watts. Incorporates chopping edge, medium destroying plate, cutting disc. Dishwasher safe: yes. Pros: basic buttons and common sense connections make this huge, capable show simple to use. Cons: the destroying and cutting edges aren't movable and are precarious to introduce.